Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn a Essay Speech. Today in this video we will learn and write 10 lines essay on crow. So let's start.
First line. The crow is a common bird. Next line. It is black in color. Next line. It has 2 legs. Next line. It has 2 wings. Next line. It has a sharp beak. Next line. It caws loudly. Next line. It lives on tree. Next line. It is a clever bird. Next line. It eats insects, nuts, seeds, fruits, eggs, etc. And last line. It helps clean up the environment. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos.